Hi everyone, and welcome to our next painting lesson together, exploring a fantastic new subject of the toucan. I've chosen the toucan for this lesson simply because it is so much fun to explore. It has large areas of vibrant, pigment-rich colour and wash, as well as some smaller areas of intricacy and detail to capture. And let's not forget the rendering of this incredibly beautiful and unique toucan eye as well, which is exciting in itself. This fantastically bright, intricately beautiful subject brings so much to the table to help us develop our bird illustration skills further and to explore the watercolour medium in more depth. In this course, we'll learn so much about materials and how my work processes and painting techniques can help you achieve successful outcomes in your own work. Wash, glaze, and broad dry brushing techniques come together in this painting to create this toucan study. We'll look at each element in this toucan in its entirety, taking one step at a time, learning about working in layers to achieve wonderfully realistic, pigment-rich results in your painting as a whole. We'll look at how we can deconstruct and reconstruct complex areas in a painting subject successfully, breaking it down into bite-sized chunks and steps with simple or even single colours, developing complexity through repetition of taking one simple, manageable step at a time. It's a tricky subject, but such a wonderful painting challenge and lesson. Can you do it? You sure can. Let me walk you through this colourful maze to produce your very own toucan painting, where in the very least you'll be enriched and far better equipped for this wonderful medium and craft. Mostly I've chosen this toucan subject because it is just so much fun to explore, and that's what we really are looking for at the end of the day, is just to have fun being creative. And what better combination to do this in than watercolour and bird illustration. So let's jump in and explore all that this toucan subject has to offer us.